Guys, um, Assalamu alaikum. I thought I'd start a video series um, about small maintenance work on your cars and yeah, some difficult works too. I'm a mechanic for about around 30, 35 years, worked on different cars and during the time I've seen so many guys, they have the cars but they don't know simple maintenance work on the cars. So today I was fixing a Camry. I was doing service on a Camry, minor service. And I had to replace this wiper because they were making noise on the car windscreen. They make noise for few reasons. One, they are old, or you don't use them, or your windscreen is dirty, or they bend backward. And mostly they bend backward, which I show you. Because people don't use them. Okay, so you should use your wipers if there is no rain, so they will remain fresh and they will work for longer, and your windscreen will stay cleaner. Yeah. Okay, let's see. This is a Toyota Camry, about 2000, maybe 6 or 8. But they are similar to 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. It depends on if they have similar wipers. Okay, so to remove the wipers, what you have to do, if you see here, there's a tab. Okay, there's a tab here. You push it, you pull it backward, and then you push it down. And remove it. Make sure leave this thing upside, and in that time, while this thing is upside, don't turn on your wiper. Accidentally sometimes happens. So now we'll press, or I'll show. See, if you see this wiper, they are not in one line. Okay, they are zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. When they are like this, they will jump on the windscreen. Okay, and plus they will make squeaky sound or something like that. Okay, so these cars you can buy whole thing, which can be a little bit expensive, quality one, or you can buy the inserts. So you can remove this rubber part from the plastic part and replace them. How you can do? If you see here, this side is different. This rubber side is different to this side. This is wider, this is not. So what you do, hold onto the wider side and pull the wiper backward like this. The wipers are out. Now put this one on here. Now this thing also you can replace hole, or you can remove these metal inserts from this rubber. Put it in the bin and then make sure you don't throw these metal rail, because these metal rail are bent in, they work like a spring. Okay, so to keep the wiper blades on the windscreen instead. So don't throw these inserts if you are changing only the rubber. Now wait a minute, I get the rubber. Okay. So this is the rubber which you can put it in. So if you see, there are 2 groove. The top one groove, you put this insert, the cut will go towards the rubber and it will sit into a lock, which is on the rubber. There is a lock inside and it will sit in that. So you put like this into the first groove, slide down the rubber like this. Okay, sometimes you need more than 2 hands, so hold it somewhere in the center. Okay, do it like that, and then again the other side. See, this cut side will go toward the rubber, and then slide down. When you buy these rubbers, they will come longer, both sides. The big one, this one, and this one, they will come in longer. So what you guys do, I find a scissor and I cut it little bit longer than the metal rail. Because what I've seen, they shrink. Okay, and then the metal rail becomes bigger. Okay, so what you do, now you just hold like this. The first groove with the metal rail, you will start like this, both side. The first groove with the metal rail will go inside these wiper make sure it's properly in on both sides. If you see, on both sides, same way, slide, slide. First groove with the metal rail, both rubber things, slide and push it in from this side. And there was a lock which you have seen before, this sort of lock. It will lock itself in this plastic slide. Okay, now your wipers are in, wiper brake, and see, it's straight. Okay, and there is some special silicone coating on it to make this thing slide better on the windscreen. Okay, now again pull this tab like this, hold it with the finger and come here. Look, this thing will go inside. Then pull the wiper blade up, so it will like this. You will hear the sound. Now push this tab back to lock it, and that's it. After doing this, make sure that the wiper blades were sitting on the windscreen is clean, no dust, nothing, so it will not damage your new wipers. Same thing, do this on the other side. And put it down. That's it. The new wipers are in, and now it is on. Okay, it's fixed. Hope you like this video, and I will come again with different videos to help you guys. If you like it, please subscribe, like, and push the bell button. I'll come again with different videos. Also, you can ask me anything. If I can help, I'll help. Okay. Okay. See you. Bye.